Alright guys, we've got a 2019 LDV T60 in for install. So customers just gone for the Kayhan version 6 with this one to upgrade the poorly designed factory systems that comes out in these ones. So this car does have the factory fitted 360 camera as well. So factory 360 in this one, all working through the Kayhan version 6. Yeah, so just jumping in here, as you can see, screen design looks pretty much factory. Using the factory fascia, factory buttons, factory air vents. So almost no difference there in design whatsoever. We have just finished developing the software to get this actually working with the factory 360 directly through the system. So no need to upgrade the cameras or anything anymore. So I'll just go in there and show you how that works. So putting the car into reverse. Brings up the factory 360, factory cameras. Car back into park. You can still access those cameras through this button as well. So just pressing camera brings them up. Pressing it again will take you out of it. So all these buttons are working as well. So volume down, volume up. As well as all your factory steering wheel controls as well. So volume up, volume down, all that is working. Climate control down the bottom, all works as per normal as well. So main power brings you with you that display up on the screen. AC off, AC on, fan speeds, all your different modes and heated seats and whatnot, all working as well. Temperature control. All of these side buttons haven't been touched, so all those work as per normal too. So yeah, just going through this main screen here, the version 6 system. So you got your navigation, built-in music or USB support as well. So USB 1, USB 2, your main AM FM radio, your main application page. So through here you got the access to all your built-in applications or external applications that you download through Play Store. So it comes with Disney Plus, Netflix, TikTok, Waze, plus all the extra ones you can download from Play Store directly. System settings. So I'll just run you through the settings quickly of this one as well for the factory 360. So you want to go to the settings, scroll down to factory mode, car model, High World, SAIC Maxus, Maxus T60 overseas. So there's the selections you have to make for your factory 360 to work, and happy days after that. So inside here, that's how you got access to all your Wi-Fi settings and mobile network settings and Bluetooth and all that sort of stuff. Audio control, you can turn the beep function on and off if you want, so every touch will beep, and if you like that you can have that on. If you don't like it, you can turn it off. Display. So inside display, another thing for the reverse camera is these settings. So reverse mode, make sure that's selected on only rear camera. And scrolling down a little bit, rear camera type. Factory cameras are NTSC, so you want to make sure NTSC is selected, and once again all your cameras will be working. So phone link, that's your wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. So just opening that takes us into here. So no need for any cables, regardless of if you've got a Android phone or an iPhone. No need for any cables whatsoever. Phone, that's your Bluetooth settings. So once you connect it up, that's all good. Google Chrome, so again, once you connect it up to the internet with this one, you can browse the internet, watch movies, download movies, all that sort of fun stuff. AUX in, that's for external audio or video devices. AVM, so with that, that's if you upgrade the 360 cameras. So if you choose the Kayhan 360 camera kit, to upgrade all the cameras to full HD, so 1080p HD, then AVM will be your access for all those ones. Sound effects, so your built-in DSP with the equalizer. All your presets, your fader, balance, DTS mode, so different sound modes, phantom center, circle, surround, true bass. So true bass, that's how you control your front speakers, rear speakers, and subwoofer control as well. So that's your main gain for this one. Then your height dynamics for each speaker as well. built-in crossovers, so high pass filters, low pass filters for front and rear, and your sub as well, and then your speaker delays. You got this little side toggle button as well, which you can turn off if you're not a fan of. Personally, I'd turn it off. It's no need for it to really be there. You got your volume controls and whatnot on your steering wheel and this panel. So to turn that off, you just go back into system settings. So yeah, just to turn off this little sidebar, so this one here, if you don't like it, you can go into settings, go into general, right sidebar float button. So you can completely turn it off, or you can change it as an apps button. So changing it to apps button, it gives you quick access to all these built-in quick apps. So YouTube, Google Chrome, navigation, AM, FM radio, music, Bluetooth, AUX and video support. So yeah, once again, all working off the factory 360 cameras in these cars. So if you're interested in that, let us know.